Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really good hamburger. First of all, we need all ingredients. So I'm gonna take all of them. We need we need the bread, we need meat, bacon, some lettuce, and a tomato. Okay, now we have all the ingredients. Now we have to we can get started. So let's go. So need pepper and oregano, black pepper and oregano, and some salt. Okay, so we are going to start with making the meat. It tastes good, and the tomato and cut all the things. It tastes very good. Okay, put here. It's not really necessary to put a lot of salt or pepper on the hamburger. We have to make this like I'm just doing right now, because we have to put all the meat together. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Now we put more salt, more pepper, yeah, like that, and a little oregano on the top. Okay, now once we have the meat, we put fire with the bread, like that, just exactly like that. We can turn on the bell for the smoke. Okay, so we have the meat, we put it, and we also have the bread, toast. It's very important to don't get the bread and now we're going to cut the tomato, just like the other, this way, like that, and like that. Now we have the tomato. Oh shit. Okay. Oh. And the bacon. We have to cut the bacon from here. Oh shit. Oh. Take the bacon out of the bag. It's very careful. And now we put the bacon in the frying pan with the burger. have the pan. This time it's a little toaster than I want, but it's not a problem. It's the bread is the more cooked the better. That's not a big problem. We put the tomato here like that, and the lettuce. Like that. We have and now we only have to wait to the meat. We put it on the bacon. This, and that's the burger.